Here we go. Milk carton. Well, there's a good use for it. Carrying milk, I think. That one's got milk in it. Right, what we're going to make is a bird scarer. There's one of these. Now, this one I made earlier. Quite simple. Just cut the bottom off. Just cut the bottom off. Keep the top. And carefully snip, 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 snip. You keep snipping until you lose the will to live. I don't know how many you do, but anyway. Keep them all nice. 2 or 3 millimetres each one. And then you can get yourself a bit of bamboo. When the wind blows, makes a nice noise. Scares me. As a little alternative, we can bend those over, bend them round, punch a little hole in the handle, and then you can put a stick in that way, and you could. It's quite pretty. Plan B.